Hi everyone. Today we're talking about something I'm really good at procrastinate.
Ha, you and me both. I was actually supposed to prepare for this episode yesterday, but I put it off until this morning.
That's literally what procrastinate means. It's when you delay doing something, especially when you know you should do it now.
Right? We're not just talking about being busy, it's deliberately avoiding tasks that need to be done.
The word comes from Latin, pro means forward and crastinus means belonging to tomorrow. So literally pushing things to tomorrow.
That's perfect. So, what are some everyday examples?
Well, I tend to procrastinate when I have to write reports. I'll clean my desk, make coffee, anything to avoid starting.
Oh, I relate to that. Here's another. Don't procrastinate on your homework or you'll be up all night before the deadline.
A classic student problem. Or, he's been procrastinating about going to the dentist for 6 months now.
Ouch, that's not good. So procrastination is the noun form, right?
Exactly, and a procrastinator is someone who does it often. So to sum up, procrastinate means to delay or postpone tasks unnecessarily.
And we should probably stop procrastinating and end this episode. Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time, and don't procrastinate on practicing your English.